Okay, when you're solving for a variable, I'm going to circle this so you can see what we're trying to do. We're trying to get that letter by itself. So if you look, let me show you here. Well, that didn't work. Let me try something else. It's not. All right, never mind. I was going to try something. It's not working. Give me a sec. Okay, you want to look on the same side of the equal sign as that letter that's circled. In other words, let me just cover up the equal sign and everything else. So you need to get rid of whatever's with that, and we always get rid of things by doing the opposite. So we need to get rid of the opposite of subtracting 5.6. Well, the opposite of subtracting is adding. So I'm going to add 5.6, 5 and 6/10 to each side. Okay, so you bring down your u because you didn't do anything to it. 5 and 6/10, take away 5 and 6/10, that's 0. Opposites cancel out. That's why we did that. Equals 4.1 plus 5.6. Okay, write down your decimal. When you're doing decimals, you write that down first. Now I'm going to add the numbers that are after the decimal. 1 plus 6 is 7, and add the numbers in front of the decimal. 4 plus 5 is 9. So u equals 9 and 7/10. Okay, so again, what I did, on this one I'm solving for y. That means you want to get rid of anything that's on the same side of the equal sign as that y. So we need to get rid of subtracting 1.2. Well, the opposite of subtracting 1.2 is adding 1.2. So I'm going to add 1.2 to both sides. Bring down the letter, opposites cancel, bring down the equal sign. Since the decimal, write down your decimal. Do the decimal after the decimal first. 8 plus 2 is 10. Write the 0, carry the 1. And 1 plus 5 plus 1 is 7. So since you have 0 after the decimal, you can say y equals 7 on this one. The next one, solve for y. Again, we're solving for the letter that they asked us to solve for. So we need to get rid of anything that's on the same side of the equal sign as that. So we have to get rid of adding 1 and 48 hundredths, 1.48. So the opposite of adding is subtracting. So I'm going to subtract 1.48 on each side. Okay, bring down your y, opposites cancel, bring down the equal sign, write your decimal down. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Let's come over here and do it. 3.43 minus 1.48. Write down the decimal first. Okay, you've got to borrow from this one, call it a 0, bring the 1 over. 13, take away 8 is 5. Sorry about that, I couldn't think for a minute. This is a 0 here, so you got to borrow. 10 take away 4 is 6, and 2 take away 1 is 1. So 1.65 is the answer.